Okay, now tell me where it is. What'd you say?
Right there.
What's in there?
A baby.
Oh, there's a baby down in there, huh?
I'm going to show Grandpa.
Oh, he's gonna be surprised.
Okay.
Grandpa, she's got something to show you.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh. She's got something to show you. Grandpa?
Hey,
Grandpa, can she show you something?
What you got there, sister?
I got a prize for you.
She's got a surprise. She's gonna tell you something.
What is it?
See that? See that?
Oh, Lord, it's her belly button? That's silly.
I can't work office. That's Grandma's medicine.
You're right, it's Grandma's medicine.
Grandma, you want to have one medicine?
Oh, should I put that away, maybe?
You want to have one?
Thank you. I'll take one. Thank you. Did you show Grandpa what's in your tummy?
What's in your tummy?
Let's go up here.
Oh, I guess she's not going
All right,
to tell
make
you
sure.
about it. She's telling me about it. There she goes. Whoa. There she goes. Wow. There she goes.
Wow.
You want to come up here with me?
Oh, you know I do.
Let me. Oh, what's in it, okay?
Okay.
Hold everything.
Yes, I do.
What's up in here?
All right, big sis.